Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to continue with quadratic equations, finding the roots of class 10th. 13th question. If alpha comma beta are the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus 2x minus 6 equal to 0, then find the value of alpha by beta minus 1 dot, that is into beta by alpha minus 1. Take the given quadratic equation x square plus 2x minus 6 equal to 0, keep it as equation 1. Then that equation 1 comparing with the standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where x square coefficient is 1 and x coefficient is 2, c equal to minus 6, that is constant value. We need to find alpha by beta minus 1 dot beta by alpha minus 1 guys. Simplified, I said in the previous videos also, so whatever the value they are asking to find here, we need to convert in terms of alpha plus beta and alpha beta, that is sum of roots and product of roots. Taking LCM, simplify, we get alpha beta by alpha beta minus alpha plus beta plus 1. So we convert it in terms of product and in terms of sum of the roots. So substitute the values. So after simplifying, we get 2 guys. 6 by 3, that equal to 2. Okay, there is option. I think I did not mention options here. So practice as a sum here. So I hope you understand this sum. So these type of sums are very important for CBSE 10th board exam and also for aptitude questions. Okay. So if you practice this level of sums guys, then definitely you will score good marks. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.